YouTube. What's going on? It's your boy Cedric B back again here with C Note Music Company. Bringing you another lesson. Today we got Whatchamacalit by Ella May featuring Chris Brown. It's in the key of F. So let's go over the scale. F is the 1, G is the 2, A is the 3, A sharp is the 4, C is the 5, D is the 6, E is the 7, and then F is the 1. All right, so we talk numbers, we don't really talk notes. Let's go over it real quick. Let's play through it one time and then we'll go over it. Anybody else do that? You make yourself be your own drummer. Even when you're playing, you ain't got no drummer. You just kicking the beat to yourself. Could just be me. I'm old school, so I may just like to beatbox. Anyway, let's move on. All right, so left hand, we're going to play 6, 5, and then 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1. Here we go. 6, 5, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. See, it's just grooving just like that, just with the bass line. But anyway, let's add the chords. And this is a perfect song if you're an R&B singer and you play. If you just play a little bit, you can learn this and that before chords. You can sing this and had a party jamming. All right, moving on. I'm getting caught up. All right, so left hand, you're playing the 6. Right hand, you're playing 5, 1, 3. Then you're going to the 5 in your left hand. And right hand, you're playing 5, 7, 2. So we got, then we're going to play that 2. And then let's go 3 in the left hand. The right hand, we're gonna play 2, 5, 7, and then to the 4. Right hand, you're gonna play 3, 6, 1, and then you're gonna go to the 1. So again, let's play the whole thing. All right, that's it. Again, it's your boy Cedric Braden here with C Note Music. Like, subscribe, comment, make your requests known. Be blessed.